Okay. Now, today's lesson, what is our objective here? Is to go through fraction, decimal, percentage, conversion, percentage of a quantity, so on and so forth. All right. Okay, let's take a look. Yeah. See here. What percentage of the figure is unshaded? Now, the question now is unshaded. So, keyword is unshaded. It will refer to where? This portion that is unshaded. Okay. Here. So then this unshaded is 1, 2, and 3 parts out of 5 parts. So you just multiply it by 100% to convert it to percentage. Now try not to use calculator. Reason is because try to work out mentally, and these sums are not very difficult. So that's why like that. Okay, 60%. Okay, right here, 60%. Okay. Oops. Yeah. Good, thank you. Okay, no worries for those who respond is all right. Yeah, now we come back focus in our work, okay? 60%. Next question, can you type your response here? Express this as a percentage. Let me take a look. Okay, as a percentage. Remember, Mr. Ong also mentioned before, when you see a percentage means multiply by 100%. So anything multiply 100% to give you. So what I'm going to do is to express them into a fractional first. 56 out of 400. Multiply by 100%, reduce them to the simplest form. 56 divided by 6 is 56 divided by 4 is 1, and then 14. So that means 14% for this. Okay? 14. Okay. Yeah, correct. Only few responses. Then the rest are, what are you doing? You see, first thing first, when I see your work, not all of them do their work. Okay, for those who have not done, one of you here not done, a few. Okay, one of you. May I know why? If you are the one, tell me the answer. Let me text this person and let you guess who is this. Okay. Okay, yes, please, you sure? Let me know. Yes, and I will do this for you. Okay, just now your classmate is asking for help. Need to see at this page. Okay, then slide number 2, 14%. Anything else? Any more? Can Okay. Question number 3. Not this one, just now that one is number 2. 31 out of 50. Okay. Yeah. They are gold stickers. In the box, they are gold color, and what percentage of the stickers are gold. So for this, what you can do is you change this to percentage by multiplying those. Okay, so you have 1, 2, then you have 62%. Okay, all right, and then now you all no more responses. 62%. That's for question number 3. Okay, next question. Let's take a look. Faith earns 1,948 a month, and she spends 789 on food, transport, entertainment, and then save the rest. What percentage of her monthly does she save? Okay, so let's take a look here. So this is what she has, and then this is what she has spent. So if you were to use model drawing, and then this is break into parts here. So this is the amount that he has, 1,948. He spends on food, 789. Transport, 600. And so transport, probably like that. Okay. Spends 789. Oh, on food and transport, sorry. So this is F and T. I just put there F and T. Okay, food and transport. Then this is entertainment, which is 672, and save the rest. So how much is the savings? First thing first, you can do this. Okay. So you have 1,948. Can you help me with the calculation? Okay, all right. 1,948 minus 789 minus 672. So after that, you have, what do you call that? Where's my calculator? 1,948 minus 789 minus 672 equals to 487. Okay. Then after that, what do you have? This is what he saves for the rest. And he say he wants to express this as the percentage. So whatever you have, 487, thank you, out of the total, which is 1,948, multiply by 100%. Okay, so you need calculator for this because this one needs a lot of calculation, right? So yeah, this one allowed. So you get, you gave me the answer already. Thank you. Is that Gerald? Yeah, Gerald gave me the answer. The rest of them, I need your responses also. Marissa, thank you. Okay. If you can do without model, then that's fine also. All right. Okay. Express this as a fraction, this percent as a fraction in its simplest form. So what can you do here is change this to divide by 100. Okay. So that means to say this is 10, 5 out of 6 over 100. Now, what you can do is, if this is without calculator paper, you have to change this into improper fraction. So improper fraction means this is 10, 5 over 6. It will give you 65 over 6. Then you divide by 100. So 65 over 6 times 1 out of 100. So from here, you can either reduce them to the simplest form, all right? Or you just use, this one is Sorry, I don't know because I never learned. Oh, you haven't learned percentage yet? Oh, okay, okay. Okay, some schools have not. It's all right. Okay, so probably I tell you what, let me know who are those who have not. Let me check. Everyone in this, yeah. I want to see who. Who? Can you have the response there first? Anyone? A few of them responded. Okay, so those who have not, okay, have not learned. Did you watch the video lesson? Yeah. So many of them have not learned. So let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, have not. So for those who have not, did you go and watch the video? Now the question is, hello, I know, this is your response. Yes. Yeah, only one of them watched, man. 2, 3. Oh, yes, good. Those who didn't still watch, you did go and watch, All right. So after watching, do you think that you can actually help yourself with the conversion, like fraction to decimal, that fraction to percentage to fraction? Okay, kind of, right? Yeah. Okay, never mind. Then I'll go slower. Okay, I'll go through here slower. Let's take a look here. Now, as long as you have a percentage here, okay, this is called percent. That means out of 100. Percent is always out of 100. Okay. Yeah, it's a good thing that I come to know that many of them has not. So the video is very important. Okay, let me redo this. What do you understand from the word percent? That means if you express this as a percentage, which is 100%, which is 100, out of 100, what will be the portion be? For example, this particular diagram here, this figure is unshaded. So you must always know that when this is a total, okay, when this is the total, this one must be 100%, right? So this is actually cut into how many parts? 5 parts. So technically, if you look at it, can I say if this is 100% and I cut it into 5 parts, this is actually 20%, 40%, 60%. So there are many ways that you can count on this. All right. So unshaded can be 60% if you cut it into equal parts. So there are many ways that you can do to find percentage. Just now, I express it into a fraction first. Do you see this? A fraction? And then I convert it into percentage multiplied by 100. As what Mr. Ong said, when the moment you see the percentage there, you just multiply by 100. Okay, so this is method 1 that we have done earlier on. So here, method 2 is to use cutting and unitary method. All right, so far, okay. Is this diagram like very clear enough? Okay, let me check, just slowly, Is question 1? Okay, is question 1 easy to understand?